Hello and welcome to September's unboxing of the Curate crochet from Lottie and Albert. The cat won't be disturbing us today. He's safely upstairs with my daughter. So let's get unboxing and see what we've got. There's only been a few days in between the last one and this one, because as I said the other day, I had asked them to put a hold on the August box, simply because I was going backwards and forwards with family things, and I didn't want anything to happen to the box. Let me just move my leg. Oh. Ow! I'm a bit wedged in here. So let's have a look and see what's socks. I have never crocheted socks. I have knitted. I don't think I actually knitted the pair. I think I knitted one sock and it was miles too big, so I didn't do the other one, but maybe one day. I just find that knitting is too slow. Take my glasses off, I can't see properly. Okay. Right, let's have a look and see what we've got in here. Once I start making these kits up, I might start using the tissue paper, if I can, for some of my flower bouquets. So it's going to be socks like this. And nice little notebook. And then we've got the needle as usual. A nice bookmark. Will come in handy for me because I'm doing a lot of reading. I've always been an avid reader, but I'm doing a lot more reading than I used to. A 4.5mm hook. I don't know if you can see that. And then we have Drops Fiesta Superwash Treated Sock Wool. It says it's a 4mm hook, but we'll see. It's 75% wool and 25% polyamide, and it's a 50-gram ball. Don't know if they've got, no, it just says colour 02, and there's 2 of that one. And this one colour number 13. It's a nice green. So there we are. Crocheted socks. Hopefully I'll be able to do these quite quickly, and you'll be able to see a finished sock soon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again on the next video.